Yo, what is going on, guys? Beams here, back at it with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a montage. So this is gonna be a series where I teach you guys how to make a montage the way I usually do it. So today I'm gonna in this part I'm gonna show you how I sync the clips, how I make sound effects, etc. In the next video I'm gonna show you how I use velocity, how which color correction I use, etc. So let's hop into the video. Alright, first thing first, you import your clips, you import your music. So I'm just gonna import this music. By the way, this is after we finish the whole edit in the series, I'm gonna upload it and see you guys how this turned out. Alright, now we gotta listen to the music several times so we know where the beats are. You can also use the on the waveform by double clicking L, and you're gonna find this waveform right here. Just search for where like usually the beats are. So I'm just gonna get all the beats and mark them using this here like this, so I get these markers. I'm just gonna get all the beats and come over. Alright, guys, after you finish adding all your markers, you can then add sound effects. You can just search up on Google some wishes and sound effects for gaming edits. I have multiple ones. Just search for like sound effects. You will definitely find them. I got like several sound effects right here. Alright, just import them. Then what you're gonna do, I usually like the rising bass. I like it. I like to use one in the beginning. I'm not gonna use all the whooshes, so yeah, make sure you don't add so much whooshes, so it's just gonna look and sound repetitive. Double L right there. Go to where the beat starts. For example, the whoosh starts right there. Let's see how it sounds. Alright, it sounds good. Then go to, I always also use a lucid dream sound effects. That's what it's called. I'm not gonna say anything. It's got that bit in, you know what I'm saying? Then what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add some gunshots. I usually use the LW3 Tundra, the sniper in Cold War. I like the sound, so I use it in all my edits, in all kinds of edits. I like to use it. Sounds good. Just go to where you wanna, you know. I don't want to, add the gun click, so I'm gonna remove it. I'm just gonna keep the gunshot sound. I'm actually not gonna use it in the first clip, so just keep it like that. I'm gonna use in the second kill, and then just add it right there. Add the tundra like that. Double L, and then what you're gonna do is duplicate the sound effect, that sound effect. Just add it to the other, you know. Okay, I forgot that one. Just add it to the other, markers until you finish all of them. I got like 38. I'm just gonna fast forward this because it's just boring to watch, guys. Yeah, all right, see you later. All right, after you add your sound effects, just gonna see if they sound good. If they don't, you can just increase or decrease their sound. For me, I will see and how it sounds. All right, it sounds good for me, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Then what you're gonna do in the beginning of the first kill, you're gonna cut the music like that. I mean cut, not duplicate. Yes. All right. Now I cut it. Then what you're going to do is um click the drop down, click, go to the beginning of the music, go to here and right approximately -30 goes good for me. Then make a keyframe, go to the beginning of the second layer, and then make it to 0 dB. Now it's gonna phase from unhearable to a good sound. Let's look how it sounds now. I think I'm gonna make like -45, I guess. Yeah, all right. -45 is gonna sound way better. All right. You can easy ease them by clicking F9, then go to the graph editor. I would like to, like, for example, do like this. Uh, do like this. Go to the red one. Just mess around with these uh graph until you get something good. Go there and see how it looks like. All right, now it sounds very good. You can go add bass and treble to the first layer. We're always using the first layer. Then duplicate it. Go to the first frame. Keyframe everything. Make the bass 100. The treble -100. Keep the bass 0. So just remove the keyframe. Put this on -100. Let's see how it sounds. Now go to the beginning of to the end of this layer and put everything to 0. Now it should look and sound good. I think now it should have been better if I let it in -30. Okay, or -35, I guess. I'll be right back, guys. All right, after you do all of this, you're gonna go to the end of the music, and do the same thing but in reverse. So just gonna go here, go to where the last scale, got it. Come here, add bass and treble, duplicate it, make a keyframe to everything except the second bass. The first one should be 100, the treble -100, the other treble is also -100. Then go to, I mean, oh man, I messed up. I mean, go, the first one should be 0, and at the end should be 100. Alright, I'm sorry, guys. I'm a dumbass. I'm sorry. Okay, then go to this drop down, go to audio, go to audio levels, keyframe it, go to the end of the layer and put it on about like 35. 35 is good. Then let's hear how it sounds like. All right, it sounds good. um all right, that was the video, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe for more editing tricks and tips and some more edits. This is just the part one of how I make the sound effects and stuff. The next part will be, I guess, syncing. And yeah, that was it, guys. See you guys later. Peace out.